In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter by condition in Google Sheets. By the end, you'll know how to quickly narrow large data sets down to just the rows you need without permanently changing your sheet. Start by heading to Google in your browser. At the top right of the page, click the small grid icon, which opens the Google Apps menu. From there, choose Sheets to launch Google Sheets. Once Sheets is open, go ahead and open your document. This can be a file from your recent list or one stored in your drive. Make sure you're signed in so you have access to your files. With your spreadsheet on screen, click the column you want to filter by condition. It's best to click the column letter at the top so the filter targets the entire column. If your sheet has a header row, that's fine. Sheets understands headers when filtering and will keep them visible. Next, go to the Data menu at the top of the screen and select Create Filter View. A filter view is great because it lets you filter and sort without changing what others see. You'll notice a dark border around the sheet and a name bar at the top indicating you're in a filter view. This keeps your original data intact and makes your filter easy to reuse. Now, click the small filter icon in the header of the column you chose. This opens a panel for filtering options. In that panel, select Filter by Condition. This tells Sheets you want to include rows based on rules, not just specific values. From the list of conditions, choose one that fits your needs. For this example, pick greater than or equal to. This is perfect for numbers when you want to set a minimum threshold. In the value box that appears, type the amount you want to use, let's say 30,000. Enter it as a plain number. If you're working with currency or formatted numbers, the filter still works as long as the underlying values are numeric. Finally, click OK. Your sheet will instantly update to show only the rows where that column meets your condition, greater than or equal to 30,000 in this case. Everything else is temporarily hidden within this filter view, so you can focus on exactly what matters. You can adjust the condition at any time by reopening the same panel or switch to a different condition if you need text, date, or empty non-empty logic. And that's it. You've filtered by condition in Google Sheets using a filter view, keeping your data clean, focused, and easy to analyze.